What's up, Juice fam? Hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to be doing a day in the life video. I haven't done one of these in a while. I'm going to the kitchen today. I'm going to be making about 10 cases of orange juice for a 3-day juice cleanse. I need a cleanse. It's been a little while. I've been eating a little crazy lately, so I'm ready to do a cleanse, and I accidentally ordered like 13 cases when I only needed 3 for one of my juicing sessions last week. So we have like 10 cases extra of oranges, and there's like 80 oranges each case. So we got a lot of orange juice left over, or a lot of oranges that we're gonna turn into orange juice. So I'm gonna take you along the way and give you a little behind the scenes for the juice business. And yeah, just subscribe. Make sure to stay tuned, and I hope you enjoy the video. That's when you know it's good. It's all good now. Gotcha. Where are you from? South Carolina. Gotcha. We're not too far from each other. I'm in Virginia. All right, y'all, so change of plans. We're in the kitchen now, just got here, but as you saw, that sales call came up. Someone shot me a DM, was interested in me being their coach to start their juice business. So I hopped on that, you saw a little bit of that. But that pushed us back a little bit, so now I'm not gonna be able to juice because I also have to pack orders today to ship out. So I've got the tables here. I'm gonna show you what a packing day looks like, and then we'll juice tomorrow, so you'll still see that. But while we're in here, I wanted to give you a tour of the kitchen. So let me flip the camera. So when you walk in, excuse the mess, it's a little crazy in here. This is some recycling that needs to go outside to the dumpster, and all these boxes need to be broke down. But we have our 3 different sized boxes that we ship in. We have a small, medium, and large. This is our box section here, and then we have freezers for days, and all these are filled with juices. I've got some foams that we brought. We have another location down the alley where all those foams are. I'll show you that another time. But this is the production room. So in here, that's all those cases of oranges that were extra that I was talking about. But in here we have another room full of freezers, and Big Mama over here. She's the one that gets all the juices done for us. So we love her very much. And this is the kitchen. So this is where it all goes down. In each of these, we've got juices galore. Got our cleaning area here, sink, drying rack for the dishes, and this is it. This is the juice operation. Y'all, so we got the boxes all folded out, so now we have to put the foam inside. So each box comes with 6 pieces of foam. You get 1 for each side, and then your top and bottom. So I'm going to show you how to pack those now. These guys are 2 inches thick. Big styrofoam sheets. This is what keeps the juices cold so I can get to you guys. Juice secured. Let's do this. What's up, y'all? We are back. It is the next day. We're in the kitchen again. and we are ready to do our orange juice for our cleanse. So I'm gonna take you with me to do that. I'm gonna show the industrial orange juice press that I use, which you may have seen one of these in Whole Foods, but here she is right here. I'm gonna put it together and show you how to use that. But stick around, orange juice coming up. All right, y'all, we are finished juicing. So this is how much we got right here. It's a little bit over 2 gallons. 8 quarts is about 2 gallons, so a little bit more than that. And I just wanted to share with you why us juice businesses charge a bit much for our juices. And this is why. 2 cases of oranges, which cost about $60 to $70 per case, made about 2 gallons. So essentially we're looking at like $50, $60 per gallon of orange juice. Now that probably leads to the question, why do they charge so cheap in the stores? That's because they take, and maybe if they sell you something like this for $2.99, this much of it is orange juice and the rest is water and sugar. So that's why we have to charge a little bit more for the juices that we sell, because it's pure goodness in here. Nothing but organic juice, no water, no sugars, no additives, anything like that. So this is the good stuff. Don't let them trick you in the stores to thinking that that's really healthy for you. This is the good stuff. Get you some fresh pressed juice. What's up, y'all? We are back. It is the next day. I forgot to make an outro video yesterday, so I just wanted to say I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Comment down below. Let me know what you thought of the video if you want to see more of these. And there's some information down below as well for how to follow me, get my juices, etc. So I'll see you in the next video. Peace.